How to see who viewed your TikTok profile. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to see who viewed your TikTok profile, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the TikTok app on my phone, and then when I'm on my TikTok app, then I will need to click on this try-bar symbol in the top right corner. When I've done that, then I will need to click on settings and privacy. Now when I'm in here, I will need to click on privacy. When I've done that, then I will need to scroll down all the way down until I see where it says profile views, and that is exactly where I will need to click. Now I will need to enable this function by clicking here. So now I will be able to see who viewed my TikTok profile in here. And if somebody has viewed your TikTok profile, then you will see their account name in here. And it is for the last 30 days. So this is exactly how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.